What's up guys, welcome to Maldives, Muabwa, Urutang. So we're here for a vacation together with my friends. Yo, what's up, right? Welcome to my vlog guys. Yo, what a very nice beach. It's a crystal clear. Woo. Shut town man show, ha? King cool. Napakaganda ng beach guys. Napakalinaw. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo, parang walang tubig. Ang sarap. Kumikinang-kinang. Guys, welcome to my vlog. So we traveled from Philippines to Maldives last week I mean. Wala pa kami masyadong pahinga guys, pero ayun.
Hi! Welcome to White Sand, my vlog.
Napakaganda ng Ayan guys, walang masyadong tao dito sa Maldives kasi binili namin tong resort na to guys.